Alright, so as you guys can see, I got quite the mess going on back here. So my plan was to gut it and then clean it all up, give it a good vacuum, scrub if I can, and then move on to swapping out the rear suspension on these two.
I just want to look my way and never back to you.
Did you guys check out my custom stereo system? I know you're jealous. So I think that's going to be good enough for now. That sound deadener is melting off. I don't know if that's age or just it's got hot. Anyways, I'm going to get started on taking the suspension out. So I'm going to have it set like this so you guys can have a view.
Turn it all out, tell me every secret. Said that I care, asked do you mean it? It's been a month since we've been okay. I'm putting off what's coming. Another night staring at the ceiling. Oh. You deserve to be alone, to be the one they're always thinking of. And I'm sorry
Alright, so I didn't know what I was working with really on that car. I haven't actually looked underneath to see what kind of suspension it was. So we got some 10 springs with the KYB AGX adjustable shocks. These ones felt really good on the car when I drove the red one, so I'm happy with these. So I've been riding on some KYB GR2s. I think stocks with the stock springs.
Admit that I ignored it. You deserve to be just